Hello everybody, Lurgs here. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to save you time and money. And today it's the Volkswagen T4 Transporter. How to remove the rear bulb cluster so you've got access to the bulbs to replace the bulbs. Right, let's get cracking. This is the Volkswagen T4 Transporter here, and here is me with my original T4, and this was back in about 1995, my first ever van. I love this van. Anyway, enough reminiscing and nostalgia, I'm getting all teary-eyed. We want to get out the rear bulb cluster. So what you do is, if you've got barn doors, open these up. If you've got a tailgate, just lift this up, and to get access to the back. Now what you should have is just a plastic cover. You can just pull this inwards towards you and just unclips. Now this is where the bulb cluster is. Now what you've got is, on either side you've got two clips. Now what you're doing is you're putting your hand in there and you're squeezing those clips inwards. You're just squeezing them inwards, and then it should just pop out towards you. And there we go. We've got 3 bulbs on this cluster, and I'll take you through what each bulb does. This is the reverse light bulb. This is a clear bulb, 12 volts, 21 watts. And we've got one on each side. This bulb here is the indicator bulb. Again, this is a clear bulb, 12 volts, 21 watts, single filament, because we've got an orange housing on the rear tail light cluster. And this one here is the tail light bulb and the brake light bulb. This is a dual filament, 21 watts and 5 watts. So when you put your side lights or your headlights on, this tail light bulb will come on, and when you push the brake pedal, then the brake light filament part of the bulb will come on. Right, let's get this bulb housing back in, and whilst I'm doing that, there's a link above now on various Volkswagen how-to guides. So what you're doing is you're just lining it up, you're pushing it in. Once you've got it in the exact position, just push it home and the clips will just clip in, and that holds it in place. Then just put the plastic cover over the top, and that is it, job done. Please subscribe by pressing this button down here so you don't miss more videos on how to save you time and money. There's also some other videos around the edges of the screen here. If any of those are useful to you, then you can select those now. Thank you for visiting my channel, everyone. I really appreciate it.